Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by putting your Echo Dot into setup or confirming it's powered with the orange ring. This signals the device is ready. Once done, open the Alexa app and sign in with the account linked to that Echo. Make sure your phone has Bluetooth on and is on the same network you'll use to make the change or has cellular access to reach the app. You need app permissions for location and Wi-Fi, granting them speeds discovery and avoids connection errors. You now change the network inside the Alexa app. Go to Devices, pick Echo and Alexa, and select your Echo Dot. After that, tap Network or change next to Wi-Fi to see available SSIDs. The app will guide you into setup mode if needed. Select the new network and type the password carefully. Capitalization and symbols matter. If your router uses both bands, choose 4 GHz for better range, unless you need higher throughput, and know your Echo supports 5 GHz. To finish, watch for a solid blue or green ring and then test Alexa with a simple command like "What's the weather?" to confirm internet access. If it fails, reboot the Echo and your router, wait 30 seconds, and repeat the change Wi-Fi steps while retyping the password exactly. Make sure MAC filtering or parental controls aren't blocking the device. As a final troubleshooting tip, perform a factory reset by holding action for about 25 seconds. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.